Now we will save this plot in a folder. How to save? So if we would like to save, then we have to give a name. So first we will clear this. We first of all, my plot or my box. So I gave a name. So if we run, yes. So print my box. So if we print, yeah, now we can save. How to save? GG save. Within the save, first we have to give my box dot jpeg. We'll save jpeg format, so you can save png format as well. Then plot is equal to my box device is equal to jpeg. So sometimes I use one quotation, sometimes two quotations, so no problem. You can use any, either one or two. DPI is equal to, for example, 900. Then limit size false. Then unit, then we use INC. IN means INC. Then white, generally we use 16. ACI, GST, height 9. Then location. PATH, path is equal to P drive ABC folder. So if we run, any error? No error. Okay, now we can check in the ABC P drive, ABC folder. Yes, data was exported. So we can use this graph for our manuscripts. Yeah. We can modify title, we can modify font, etc.